Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for NBME. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure and the types of questions you'll encounter. This foundational understanding is crucial for effective preparation. Next, honestly assess your current knowledge to pinpoint areas needing more attention. Developing a personalized study plan that allocates specific time to each subject will significantly enhance your learning efficiency. Consistency is key to mastering the material. To maximize your study efforts, focus on high-yield resources such as UWorld and First Aid. These are invaluable for covering essential topics. Don't just passively read. Actively engage with the material by summarizing concepts and creating your own notes. This process deepens understanding. Implement spaced repetition techniques like Anki to reinforce learning over time, ensuring you retain information for the long haul. Regular practice is vital. Take full-length NBME practice exams under timed conditions to simulate the actual test environment. After each practice session, dedicate significant time to reviewing every question, understanding why answers were correct or incorrect. This detailed analysis helps identify knowledge gaps and improves your test-taking strategies. Use these insights to adjust your study plan and target weaker areas effectively. On exam day, ensure you are well-rested and nourished. A good night's sleep and a healthy breakfast can significantly impact your focus and performance. During the exam, manage your time wisely, pacing yourself to answer all questions without rushing. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other helpful deals. Stay calm, trust your preparation, and give it your best shot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.